Hey everyone, welcome to a special episode of Safety Optional. Tonight, we're working on my lawnmower. See, a couple weeks ago I was mowing and this thing started making a complete rattle and the motor got really loud. So I kept mowing with it as anybody would and mowed the lawn a few more times with it until just the other night when I was mowing along and fortunately I got the whole lawn mowed and all of a sudden it made a big twang and the engine shut down completely. So tonight, we're going to find out why. We're going to dig into this engine and find out what failed. This is a 2004 John Deere L111, and I bought it new in 2015. It's only got 222 hours on it, which, you know, some people would tell you that's not very much. All right. We're going to check the oil one last time. I checked the oil not that long ago, but this thing's been sitting outside. I don't know what may or may not have happened, but now wait a minute. I promise there was oil in this thing because I checked it. But dry. That is not a good sign. It is bone dry. All right, here's the left cylinder bank spark plug. Looks pretty normal. That oil, it doesn't look shiny or sparkly. I see the slightest hint of maybe a couple of reflections, but it's not just shiny sparkly like the whole motor just completely disintegrated. So yeah, it's not. It's not ferromagnetic oil.
All right, here's the other spark plug.
That doesn't look horrific. There's no
It's coated in oil.
There's no pieces of it gone.
No, nothing's gone. It's
that's what I was expecting to find. Pieces of the spark plug.
It's coated in a ton of oil, so probably lost compression on that one. They're probably blowing a lot of oil into that cylinder. I don't see a bunch of metal shavings on it.
So yeah, here's left side and right side. Okay, hold on, right there. Look at that. There's your problem. Look right there. Stop, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Slowly back away from the engine. There's the problem, right there. The valves have it's dropped the push rod out. And that rocker is just totally loose.
Yep.
So let's look at the push rod. Huh.
Straight.
So the push rod is straight. That one's good and tight. This is good and tight. Weird. It just dropped a push rod. I wonder if the cam, the lifter, or something like that is what failed.
Oh, well, let's get in deeper.
I mean, we got nothing to lose. We've already got the motor popped open. Anybody worth their salt like us should be able to put it back together.
I think so.
All right, we're going to go further. Pretty easy. Well, the head isn't just burnt. This one's oilier. A bit more in there. It's not horrible though. All right, we've got the heads off, and we're looking at the pistons here, and cylinder walls don't look just horrible. And yeah, there's no obvious damage to the cylinder walls. So
let's turn it and make sure that both pistons are moving.
I can see the lifters in there, so keep turning.
Nothing is moving.
Okay, so here's, this might be part of the problem, son. So, all right, keep turning, keep turning. So the pulley on the bottom, the output is turning, and that's turning. So we know that the engine should be turning over.
Pistons aren't moving.
Yet the pistons
You lost both
are not moving.
rods?
Time to dig deeper. Did you just push it in and it bottomed out?
Bottomed out.
All right, hang on, push that one in. Oh yeah, oh, the clackety sound.
Yeah.
That's why it was freewheeling so much when we started cranking it.
Yeah.
It was spinning like a humdinger because
Now, yeah.
no resistance.
Now something.
Did you lock it up?
Now,
Did you lock my motor up?
now it's a necropsy. Let's take it apart.
New theory. Both connecting rods have failed somehow.
At the same
Because
time.
both pistons were able to be pushed down independent of this turning, and this turns without the pistons moving, so it's bad. Whatever happened, it's bad. So, because now we know we got nothing to lose, let's just tear the whole thing down.
Listen to this.
Oh, that is such a not a good sound. All right, we're gonna move this over to the table and figure out what's going on. Okay, all right. Oh, I see the, oh,
the carnage.
it is not pretty in there. Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Oh, all right,
that's
sit
bad.
back, grab the flashlight over there.
All right.
Oh, God. No. No. Oh, my word.
Oh, man.
Oh,
That just freaking exploded.
my gosh.
There's a bunch more over here.
Oh, my God. Okay, let's, hang on, let's. So, we'll pump this thing screens clean because it didn't run any after it blew up. Oh, there is metal in the.
There's tons, yeah.
I mean, just fine. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got number 1
You got,
and number 2.
you got pieces of rings in there. No.
That's bearing.
That's bearing, yeah.
Okay, there's one piston. Make sure I'm getting this.
Get it out.
I'm making sure I'm getting it on camera. Okay. So the pistone, looks okay, and the cylinder, I can still see the cross hatching. So that one's not too bad. Spiders in the garage. Oh,
wow.
Oh, wow.
That's why
That's the camshaft. That's why they were loose. And oh, look at the, all right, here's a classical thing right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at the metal that just came off of that. So, all right, hang on just a second. It had to have run out of oil, but no, it just did that one cam lobe though.
Wow.
But it bent the camshaft here.
Well, hang on, you'll see. Let me get this piston out, I'll show you. Because there's more in here. If I can get...
So piston number 1 here is. Okay, all right, hold on.
Okay, look at this.
So the connecting rod came completely off the wrist pin. Oh yeah, it boogered up the. That was from the connecting rod banging around. Yeah, this connecting rod, when it came off the wrist pin, it blew out the skirt of the piston.
Here's the bearing for the cam, all blown apart.
Oh, it took out the side. Took out the side of the cylinder. Look here.
Look at this. See the bearing for the cam right here?
Oh yeah,
It's all blown apart.
the bearing retainer.
Bearing.
Or race, the bearing race. That's what it is. Yeah. So hang on a second, Colin.
Okay.
Right there, if you look inside, here, hold this light. You can see right there. Yeah, it took out part of the cylinder wall.
That's amazing.
And you can see down in there to the bearing race for the cam. So yeah, there is no mistaking this engine is a total knockout. Oh yeah, that's your lifter. Okay. And Has some nice grittiness on it.
Man. See if you can find the
Oh,
scoring.
yeah.
That's the scoring from that lobe.
Yep, yep.
Well, that's cool.
Yep, that is one deceased engine. What a shame. I don't think any part of that is salvageable.
No.
So, time to clean up. Well, that was a fun night. So tonight, RC Gusto and I tore apart my lawnmower motor, and it was definitely borked. There's no coming back from that. Just completely disintegrated. But that was a lot of fun to tear down, and at least now I feel justified in my purchase of the new Hustler. So I guess it's time to haul this stuff to the scrap yard and get rid of it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.